Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you top 3 financial lessons I learned in my 20s and I hope you understand in your 20s. Number 1 is understand the power of compound interest. No matter what's your age right now, but start investing. You can invest in mutual fund, you can invest in gold, you can invest in cryptocurrency, etc. You can invest a 5 to 10% in your income, but start investing because your small amount one day create a big returns. So start investing. Number second is improve your financial literacy. If you are in your 20s, as much as possible you want to gain the finance knowledge. You can start reading in finance related books, you can follow the finance related creators and watch the finance related videos, because in this time finance education is very most crucial thing. Schools and college never teach you the actual finance educations, so you want to gain the knowledge in finance. You want to learn how money works. And number third is focus on multiple income streams. Look at the image. The first table has one stand and the second table is four stand. First table has even on stand break, the whole table is fall down. But at the second table fall on stand and the other three stand will handle it. I mean, don't focus on one income stream. If you are a master in one profession, then try the other profession as you passionate. As much as possible, you want to enhance in your skills, because in this time, skills is one of the best key to you want to grow in your career and in your life. So focus on learning skills.